Now tell me voice is clear. Now tell me voice is clear. Arun, Prashant, Shravan. Please tell me now voice is clear or not. Now voice is coming. Yes, Gautam, you can definitely watch. Good morning, Shreyas. Yes, guys. So guys, as you know, today we are starting the 28 mark series, and in this we are going to cover engineering mathematics aptitude. Every day one session would be there. Today is maths, tomorrow would be aptitude. Like that the sessions would be going on. Yes. So guys, we are starting the session now, and you know, today we are going to cover the differential equation part, okay? And we would be having some basic concepts as well as questions, so that even if you are, yes, it is for every branch student. It is for every branch student. It is common topic, you know that, civil, mechanical, electronics, triple E, every branch, okay? So we are going for differential equations today, guys, okay? So first of all, I would like to tell you this is some detail about me, and then this is, I would like to tell you that download the app. There also we are going to have free quizzes and also mock test and also workshop, and also many sessions are going on. And guys, this is the schedule of your favorite 28 mark series. You can see that today is the first day when we are having differential equation. Tomorrow quantitative aptitude would be taken by Richa ma'am, then calculus would be coming, then analytical aptitude, then matrices, then special aptitude, then numerical method. So likewise we are going to cover each and every topic, okay? So be ready. Good morning, Sai. Good morning, Pratik. Yes, every branch student can watch this. Yes, Gautam. So guys, I would like to tell you, if anybody from you is preparing for GATE 2025, then there is a free workshop on 24th of January at 7:30 p.m. will be taken by me, where I will be telling you about how to secure a single digit rank in GATE 25. And if you are any junior or your friend or your younger brother is starting preparation, this is the right time to watch that workshop, because in that workshop you will get to know the entire path, at which stage of the preparation what to do. You will know. Arithro, good morning. Bhaiya Akash Raj, good morning. So guys, this is about the last full mega mock challenge is left. That would be live from 27th of January. So be ready for that. It would be having as per the GATE pattern only. So be ready. This is the last mega mock challenge. The last chance. Saurabh, good morning, bhai. So now we are moving further, guys. This is about the vision batches. Telegram, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, where you will get the PDF of today's session. Now I feel all the heads are over. The last one is this. If you are from mechanical and civil, then guys, for you, if you are from mechanical and civil, then for you, there is a civil versus mechanical war starting, where you can get up to 2100 rupees. Top 3 students would be getting, and this is the schedule. So today is the first session, where we will be having questions from simple stress and strain, and every day the quiz will go on, and whatever you will be performing in that quiz, based on that, 3 students would be getting cash prizes up to 2100, and also you would be getting the questions of GATE level, or you can say the similar question which you may be getting in the GATE exam. And guys, for that there is one more thing. Today at 8 p.m. me and Abhinav sir would be coming live for a formula revision session, because you already know formula revision series is started. So today we would be having a formula revision of SOM, and guys, this formula revision of SOM will be starting today at 8 p.m. okay? This is the first class today. So there are 2 things. On app you are having civil versus mechanical war. On YouTube you are having this SOM formula revision. So guys, I feel everybody understood now. Pratik, I feel it should go for 2 to 2.5 hours, not more than that. Now we are starting the session. Everybody ready? Yes, Shubham, bahut badhiya. Faninder, good morning. Ram, good morning, bhai. Okay, so guys, now we are going to start about the differential equation. As we are going in the crash course format, we will be watching the necessary things. Time pass nahi karenge. When we are talking about differential equation, what is that? Like whenever you have all the algebraic term present in an equation, we call that as algebraic equation. Similarly, if you would be having all the differential terms, if differential terms are present in an equation, we call such equation as differential equation. So when you have studied this chapter in 12th class, the very first thing from where questions were coming, that was order and degree of differential equation. So where you have started from 12th class, the same point we are starting here. So even if you don't know much about differential equation, this 2-hour session, 2.5-hour session may make you perfect in that. Okay. So my dear, when we are talking about order and degree of differential equation, if you have a differential equation, then the order of the highest order derivative is said to be the order of differential equation. Like if I write a differential equation like this, d cube x by dt cube, d cube x by dt cube plus dx by dt plus 2 times d square, d2x by dt square is equals to 5. If you see this equation, so can you tell me what is the highest order derivative? Yes, like Vikas have said, the 3 is the answer. Okay. Anybody else? Yes, Lemon. Yes, Pratik. Yes, Abhishek. So guys, if you see in this is having the order 3. This term is having the order 1. This is having the order 2. So guys, you can see this is the highest order derivative. So you can see the order of this term is 3 and that is said to be the order of differential equation. Okay. Is it clear? Very good. Very good. Rajkumar, Prince, very good. Uday, very good. Vineet. Okay. Vineet have said degree. I did not ask degree. So when we are talking about the degree of differential equation, my dear, then for that we need to see what is the degree. For that I will give you an equation and let us see if we are having d cube x by dt cube, okay, plus dy by dx, and I am saying here the power for this is going to be 3 by 4 is equals to 5 x, okay, sorry, I have written dx by dt, okay, dx by dt. So when we are talking about d cube x by dt cube, it is dx by dt is equals to 5t is equals to 5t plus 6. So can you tell me what is the degree for that? So when we are talking about degree, the first thing we need to do, we need to make it away from the fractions. Like you can see here, the power is fractional. So if you want to tell about the degree of this differential equation, for that the first thing you need to do, you need to make this equation free from fraction. Before that we cannot tell about the degrees. Okay, so for that what you will be doing? You will be making 4 power on both the sides. If you are going for making 4 power on both the side, you know that this equation will be converting into the new form and it would become d cube x. It would become d cube x by dt cube, d cube x by dt cube plus dx by dt plus dx by dt. You are taking the power to be 4, so it would remain 3, and you can say the right hand side is 5t plus c, 5t plus c. So guys, you can see when we are talking about the degree of differential equation, it is the degree of highest order derivative occurring in it when derivative are free from fractional power. So when I have taken the power 4, you know that whenever I have taken the power 4, now it is free from fractional power. So by looking at that, can you tell me what is the highest order derivative? Yes, the highest order derivative is this. So because of that, I can say order will be 3. Now you need to see what is the degree this term is having. When you will be opening this, can you tell me what would be the degree this highest order derivative will be having? It would be having 3. Very good, Rohan. So you would be saying the degree of this derivative is 3. So guys, I feel everybody is clear about order and degree. I know this is a very basic thing about which you are already aware of, but I started from here so that if any student who is new to this topic and may not have studied from a longer time, he get a good revision of that. So are we ready, guys? Shall we start now? And if you would ask me, sir, questions are coming from that. So I would like to say yes, in the previous years, in all the branches, 1 to 2 times questions have been asked. Not more times, but 1 to 2 times questions have been seen from this topic. Okay, so this is about the differential equation when we are talking about and the order and degree. Very good, everybody. Ha bhai ha, aspirant, I know that. That is a very big day for us because today, yes, Ram Mandir would be having Pran Pratishtha today. That's fine. Farinder, yes, we are starting now. So guys, now we are going to start with the solution of ordinary differential equations. And the very first method is variable separable. When we are talking about variable separable, whatever differential equation would be given to you, sir, little bit problem in CF, don't worry, today it would be rectified. Problem khatam kar denge aaj. Vikas, if you see the previous case, The highest power is 3 now, where highest power is 4. It was 3 by 4. When you would be doing power 4 both side, 4 will get cancelled out. So it would remain 3 only. So this is the power of highest order derivative. Power of highest order derivative. Okay, is it clear? हाँ भाई ओंकार, जय श्री राम. Okay, सही है. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे. So guys, when we are talking about the very first thing, okay, when we are talking about the first thing guys, solution of ordinary differential equation. राइट हैंड साइड में नहीं देखते विकास, आई डिफाइंड ना डिग्री देखी जाती है हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव की. ओके, वी सी द डिग्री ऑफ हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, नाउ आई फील यू आर क्लियर. ओके, सो लेट अस मूव फर्दर गाइस. When we are talking about solution of ordinary differential equation, the very first thing is variable separable. I would like to tell you guys, whenever you are having a differential equation, generally we can solve it only when we convert it into this format. Okay, so that is why when we are talking about variable separable, you would be having two kind of form. One, you may be having the product or division, like you may be given dy by dx as xx function of x, y function of y, or you may be having dy by dx is xx into yy. So whenever you have this type of thing, it is very easy. What you need to do, you would be doing like here, what you can do, you would be doing y as a function of y into dy is equals to xx as a function of x into dx. Now you just going to integrate, and when you will be integrating, this will be coming as an equation. Okay, and yes, you can add a constant of integration as you are going for indefinite integration. So that constant can be calculated with the help of boundary conditions. Similarly, here what you can do, here you can do dy divided by y of y is equals to xx dx. Here also what you need to do, you need to just integrate and you will be getting the answer plus integration constant. So guys, whenever you are having the form of product or division, very easily we can do. Lakshmi, the class will go on until the topic will be over from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. In between that, we would be completing the topic. Okay. Bhanu Prakash, good morning. And Jai Shri Ram कह रहे हैं आप तो आपको भी. So let us start one question on that. This question is a previous year question. You can see this question. If you write this equation as dy by dx, you can write it as minus y square. So can you see it is very easily can be done with the variable separable, and here already variables are separate, so we need not to work about that. If variables are not separate, we have to convert it into the variable separable form. Good morning Mayank. So I feel by just looking at that, Sandeep Reddy said the answer is A. What about others? You can try this, otherwise I will tell you. So guys, we will go with the concept plus problem, so don't worry. But we will go in the crash course format. We will not go into the PhD of topic. For that, you have GATE 25 or you have after MTech and all. Okay. So right now our target is just to see what is important for exam. Okay. So only that concentration should be there. Okay. Tell me guys. Okay. Shravan is saying answer is C. Okay. 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 So guys, if you see this equation, I feel variable separate is very easy in this, because you can just write dy by minus y square is equals to dx. Okay. So and if you are just going to integrate, I feel you would be getting here, very easily. If you take minus here, what is the integration of minus y ki power minus 2 dy? You can very easily write it. That is going to be equals to dx integration plus c. From here I feel you would be able to write it is going to be 1 by y is equals to x plus c. So from here I feel you can write y is equals to 1 by x plus c. This is the previous year's GATE question. A would be the right answer for this. So Ram, Sai, Rohan, Aritro, Ashray, these are the students who have given the right answer. Very good Shreyas, very good Vineet, very good Mayank. So guys, just consider it that we are going to cover it in the examination point of view. Okay, is it clear for everyone? So we will see 1, 2, 3 questions of each type. Okay, now my dear, if you are not having this kind of term, if this kind of term is there, it is very easy to solve. There is no problem. If you know integration, you can do that. But the problem is when we are going to have the format of this dy by dx is f of ax plus by plus c. In such cases, it is going to be difficult. It is going to be difficult or sometime maybe impossible to separate the variables. Okay, to separate the variables means to separate x and y. So if you are having this type of field, then we are going to reduce it. We are going to reduce it. We are going to reduce it. We are going to reduce it in variable separable format. So how we will be doing that? That I will be telling you with the help of a question. Okay, Sai, I am explaining once again, but I feel you have given the right answer. So what we have done here, you were having the equation as dy by dx plus y square is 0. When y square will be going on the other side, you will get dy by dx is equals to minus y square. So when dy by dx is minus y square, you know y square is only variable here, x is not there. So y square will be coming down, dx will be going there, that is variable separable. So dy by minus y square is equals to integration of dx. Now my dear, if I take this minus sign out, y square can be written as y ki power minus 2 dy. Then you know integration whenever we do, x ki power n dx ka integration what it is? It is x ki power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So when you would be going for that, it is going to be y ki power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So minus minus will get cancelled out. And you would be getting y ki power minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by y. So 1 by y is equals to x plus c. C is the constant of integration. So you can write y is equals to 1 by x plus c. Now it is clear for everyone. Now it is clear for everyone. Is it clear, Sai? Is it clear, Sai? Very good guys. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please tell me. So guys, this was the question for which answer was A. Now my dear, we are moving further. Okay? Yes. So we are moving further. Now we are moving for this form. If you are going to get this addition subtraction kind of format. So this is not the variable separable format. We need to take it. We need to reduce it into that format. Then only we can solve this question. So if that is the case, I am going to consider a case, a question. With that I will be explaining you. Like we are given as dy by dx is equals to x plus y plus 1 ka square. So for such cases what we are going to do? We are going to assume like x plus y plus 1. Let us take it as t. I am assuming it as t. Now let us differentiate it with respect to t. So when we are going to write it, we can write it as this is, just wait. I am assuming it as z rather than t. I am assuming it as z. Okay, fine. Let us say z. Now my dear, I am going to differentiate it with respect to x. When I will be differentiating x with respect to x, it would be coming out to be 1 plus dy by dx plus 1 ka differentiation is going to be 0. Yes. It is going to be equals to dz by dx. So you have assumed x plus y plus 1 as equals to z. Now from here you can write dy by dx is equals to dz by dx minus 1. And if I can write this, I just need to put this value into this given equation. If I will be putting this, you can see the variable separable form will be coming. You would be getting dz by dx minus 1 is equals to x plus y plus 1 is nothing but z. So can we write right hand side as z ka square? Yes. Now you can see it is very easy to separate the variable. It is similar to the previous question. Now you can write it that dz by dx is equals to z square plus 1. Many students have given the answer also, that's great. So when we are writing like this, you can write dz by z square plus 1 is equals to dx. Now you know variables are already separated. Now you just need to go for the integration, and when you will be going for the integration, I feel everybody know the integration of this is going to be tangent inverse z. If it is tangent inverse z, we can write on the right hand side x plus c integration constant. You can also write it as tangent inverse. What is z? it is nothing but x plus y plus 1 is equals to x plus c. So as there are no boundary conditions given, initial conditions are not given, so we cannot find out the constant c. If they give us the initial conditions that at x is equals to 0, y will be that, in that case we can also find out the constant. In the upcoming question we would be having all that thing. So now first of all, everybody tell me whatever we have discussed till now, are you getting it or not? Like majority of the students which I can see, Rohan, Farinder, Vineet, Bhanu Prakash, Shamshad Alam, already have given the answer for that. Yes, you can write in that format also ki x plus y plus 1 is equals to tangent of x plus c. That is also correct. So as I have not given you option, so choice is yours how you are writing it. I feel everybody have understood this. Okay, so guys, now we are moving further. When we are moving further, this is the next question. We are going to have 3 to 4 questions of every type. So be ready for that. Yes, Jimit, great. Ajmeera, very good. Uday, very good. Sandeep, very good. So now we are having the next question as di by dt minus 2i is equals to 0 is applicable over minus 10 to plus 10. Then if I4 is 10, find out I minus 5. It means they are asking you when t would be minus 5, what would be the value of I. So guys, this is very simple case of variable separable. Okay. So 11, are you asking about the formula of integration? Are you asking about the formula for integration? If you are asking for that, in the calculus we will be covering that. For here whatever is required I will be telling you. So here we are going to have di by dt, that can be written as 2i. All these questions are previous year's gate question. Okay, so because previous year's question are the best to do now at this time of nearby exam. So di by dt is 2i. So try to keep constant on the right side only. It will be di by I is equals to 2 dt. Now you know you would be going for integration, and as indefinite integration we would be adding constant of integration. It would be coming out to be ln I is equals to 2t plus c. You can also write it as I is equals to e to the power 2t plus c. So you can also write it as I is equals to e to the power 2t into e to the power c. Okay, you can try by yourself also if you know. If you don't know, you can see with me also. हाँ, limit दी हुई है, you are correct. The limit of time is given. Okay, so when we are talking about this, they are saying that t is lying between that. Okay, they are giving the limit of t. Okay, and when we are talking about this, when we are talking, dear, but actually the point is I need to find out the constant of integral. Yes, you can go like that also, that's fine. You can go like that also. But if you are going to use this, then how you would be going for this? I of 4. So you would be finding out this when the t is 4. It would be 2 into 4 e to the power 8 EC, and at that time this is going to be 10. So 10 e to the power minus 8 is equals to e to the power c. Okay, so you can put this value and you can get the final expression. Is it clear? Yes, very good, Rohan. Yes, you can go by that also. Is it clear for everyone? You can go in that format also, you can go in this format also. Okay, so when you get this, just need to put it here, and now when you will be putting t is equals to minus 5, you will get the answer. That's fine. Yes. Is it clear? Okay. Is it clear? Manasvi, Vineet, fine, fine, fine. And don't worry guys, now we are going to have the questions with options. There you will get more feel, okay? Because when the options will be given, we will be putting the values and we will be finding out constants. Then you will get more feel, okay? So let us see one more question and then you decide how to move. Okay, one more question. हाँ Vineet, but the point is actually they are giving you the domain कि that time is lying between those two limits. Okay, so here whenever we are going to get this type of question, you can go like that, but as I said, they were not giving it key for integration like, okay, they were giving it key the function is lying in that limits. Okay, so like whenever we have that function is defined in that limit, in that kind of thing was given. Now the question is for differential equation dy by dt plus 5t is equals to 0. Y at 0 is 1, find out the solution. So here my dear, you can see, you can very easily find out the equation with the help of constant. Will you try this or shall I do? Bhanu Prakash, I already told you the problem is whenever we are having the limits, first of all, whenever we are going for the limits, they were giving that function is defined in that limits. It was not given like the integration limits. Okay, it was given like function is defined from this to this. Okay, so when we are having this dy by dt plus 5t is equals to 0, y0 is equals to 1, then find out the solution. So they have given that function is defined in that. Okay, just do this question, then I will be going for the previous question again, don't worry. Okay, so we are going to have dy by dt is equals to minus 5t. From here you can write dy, yes, solve it. I feel everybody can do that. Manasvi, for that I have taken a session how to use the virtual calculator just 2-3 days before. You can check that. There I have explained. Okay, let me check the options because this PPT is just typed yesterday. So I am checking the options, don't worry. Actually, this is slightly mistake is there in the equation. It is actually not t. It is actually 5y. It is dy by dt plus 5y is equals to 0. Now solve it. So there was a mistake in typing. Don't worry. Solve it. So Manasvi, there you did not find how to find out that? You will just putting 8 first and then e to the power. You will be going for function. First power, then function. Okay. Solve this question, guys. Yes, Vineet, Rohan, Manasvi, Saurabh, Vikas, Sai, Shamshad. Okay, Shamshad is saying answer is B. Solve this question. Okay. So you are going to have dy by dt plus 5y is equals to 0. So I feel you know how to solve it. Dy by dt minus 5y. So now the doubts will not be coming. In the previous question, as options were not there, that was also a problem. Yes. So you can write it as dy by y minus 5 dt. So we would be going for the integration again. And you would be able to write, very good Vinay, you would be able to write ln y is equals to minus 5t plus c. So we can write y is equals to e to the power minus 5t plus c. They are saying that y0 is 1. When t is 0, y is 1. So in that case you can say when y is 1, e to the power 5 into 0 plus c. So it is possible only if c is 0, e to the power 0 is 1. So answer is y is equals to e to the power minus 5t. If you are thinking that these questions are easy, why you are doing easy questions, sir? Then I would like to tell you these all are the previous year's GATE question. And from this topic, this type of questions are coming. And I have taken from all the branches, one from mechanical, one from civil, one from electrical, one from electronics, like that. Okay, everybody understood this? Moving to the next question, guys. Moving to the next question. This is a good question, better than the all previous questions. At any point, a certain curve, the slope of the tangent is this. At every point of a certain curve, the slope of the tangent is this. You know what is slope? Slope is dy by dx. So dy by dx is given as minus 2x by y. And you need to find out what is the curve. Is it a straight line, parabola, circle or ellipse? Piyush is saying parabola. तो कोई बात नहीं आश्रय, जो आता है वो आप करोगे, डोंट वरी. ओके, अरित्रो इज सेइंग सी. हाँ, डोंट वरी शमशाद, we will be having a practice session also on 26th January, okay, on the app. There we are going to do recent years questions also, so don't worry, just be there with us. We are going to give you each and everything, but this is a general session. Here I have taken from all the previous years. Yes, I tried to cover all the types which are frequently asked. Okay, some students have said the answer parabola, some are saying circle, some are saying ellipse. Okay, Vineet is also saying circle. Okay. What about others? I'm waiting for everybody's answer now. Okay, TPM is saying ellipse, sir. Okay, let us see, guys. So let us see. Abhishek, Rutvik, very good. Let us see, guys, what would be the answer. So you can see here, we are having dy by dx is equals to minus 2x upon y. So here we can write y dy minus 2x dx. Okay. So when you would be going for integration, you know that it will be y square by 2 minus 2 into x square by 2 plus integration constant c. So you can say 2 will get cancel out. So it would be x square by 1 y square by 2 is equals to c. If you see this equation, I don't know how you have said this is a circle, because it is like x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. Okay, yes, we are having a constant c here. They have not given any boundary condition to find out that, but if you know, out of these four only ellipse can have this type of equation. So the answer is going to be ellipse. Everybody understood? Those who have given the wrong answers, please tell me everybody understood. Very good, very good. So especially those who have given the wrong answer, understood or not? Ellipse is the right answer. Yes, Aritro, yes, Vineet. Clear? कहां हो रहा है यार विकास? यहां भी स्क्वायर, यहां भी स्क्वायर, कहां हो रहा है 4ax? कहां हो रहा है? If you see, this is also square, this is also square. So yes, if even you have given the wrong answer, the answer could be circle. Okay, but the point is it is not circle, because this and this are not equal. Because you know the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equals to r square. So it would be a circle if you are having here also 2, here also 2, or here also 1, here also 1. So there is no chance of parabola here. Ha, psi, actually when we have done y dy minus 2x dx, you can see when you will be going for integration of y, what it is, y square by 2, integration of x, x square by 2. So y square by 2 minus 2 times x square by 2 plus c. Now when this 2 will get cancelled out, it would be going on the other side. You would be having x square by 1 plus y square by 2 is equals to constant. Okay. Now my dear, you know that if the straight line equation would be there, the power of x and y should be 1. If it is parabola, then y and x should have different power. Like y square is equals to 4ax or x square is equals to 4ay. So that's why neither it is straight line nor it is parabola. Now it can be a circle, can be a ellipse. But why it is not circle? Because the denominators are not same. Because circle is having this equation. So as denominators are different, it is going to be ellipse. Is it clear? For parabola, the equation should be of this: y square is 4ax or x square is equals to 4ay. It means the power of x and y should be different. One is square, other is 1. Is it clear? Straight line equation can be like this. x by a, y by b is equals to 1. This is the equation of straight line. Okay, so if you get this type of equation, it is straight line. If you get y square is equals to 4ax or x square is equals to 4ay, this is the equation of parabola. If you are getting x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1, it is the equation of ellipse. Everybody is clear now? Circle would be like this: x square by r square, y square by r square is equals to 1. Means denominator will be same. Now everybody is clear. I have written all the 4 possibilities. Okay, अब कुछ नहीं बचता. So guys, do like and share the session. We are going with that level of clarity. Wherever you will have doubt, we will go for that. But yes, I will go as per the exam. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Moving to the next. Moving to the next, guys. Moving to the next. So you can see this time the equation is dx by dt is equals to minus 3x. This is the equation. They have given when t is 0, x is x naught. Find out the right solution. They all are previous year's question. Wonderful, wonderful. Solve this. So guys, we are going for good practice. Okay, I have also taken 8 to 10 homework questions for you at the end. Okay, and if anybody would be asking, I would be sharing the solutions of them as well. Okay, so that solutions you will be getting by today evening. I will share solution to all the homework questions. So you just need to be on my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. There you will also be getting the solutions of the homework question and the PDF of this session. We are covering one topic every day. Okay. Yes, yes, and even if required, like calculus is bigger, in that case we can go for 2 sessions also. So be ready for that. You just need to join live every day. Rest leave on us. Very good. So try to solve this. I feel this is a good question. Dx by x minus 3 dt. So just for your confidence, I am doing the same types of question. Okay, to give you some confidence. Yes. So everybody is saying the answer to be A. Okay, so when you would be going for that, you would be getting ln x minus 3t plus integration constant. Okay, so you can also write it as x is equals to e to the power minus 3t plus c, and you can also write x is equals to e to the power minus 3t into e ki power c, and they have given when t is 0, x is x naught. So x naught is equals to e ki power c, so x will be x naught e ki power minus 3t. This is also a PYQ of GATE. The answer is A for this. Wonderful, guys. Sir, this 10 days classes we cover and practice means in maths and aptitude getting definitely Sai. More than 20 for sure. Okay. More than 20 for sure. More than 20 for sure. Okay. Now like here you will be getting the idea of that which you were asking before. They have given the solution of dy by dx is equals to y square with initial value y0 is equals to 1 bounded in the interval. So like if you remember, there was a question where they have said time is minus 10 to plus 10. So that was not given for doing the integration. That was not given for that. Was defining that function is defined. Okay. So don't go for definite integration. Because when we are having differential equation, we are always going for indefinite integration and boundary conditions are given to find out the constants. Okay. So here this is dy by dx is equals to y square. So very easy to separate the variables. But I have taken this question because of this, because this type of questions have been seen in the GATE. So that is why actually this is the PYQ of GATE only. So here you need to judge which of the following is correct. Okay, like Vikas said, answer will be B. Let us see whether it is correct or not. TPM is saying answer is C. Very good. Saurabh is saying answer is B. So these different answers are telling that yes, this was a much needed session for you. Yes, Vineet, Vinay, Mayank, Rohan is saying C. Very good. Aritro, Mayank, tell me. Tell me guys, tell me. What would be the answer for this? Okay, Mayank is saying C. Malesh is saying C. Vineet is saying C. Vaibhav is saying C. And guys, I would like to say yes, C is the right answer. Let us see how. So you would be writing dy divided by y square is equals to dx. You know that it can be written as y ki power minus 2 dy is equals to dx. We would be going for the integration. So it would be y ki power minus 1 by minus 1 is equals to x plus c. So you can write it as this is minus 1 by y is equals to x plus c. So you need to find out the value when x is 0, y is 1. So if that is the case, it would be minus 1 by 1 is equals to 0 plus c. C is coming out to be minus 1. So equation is minus 1 by y is equals to x minus 1. So we can write it as minus y as 1 by x minus 1. You can see when you would be putting x is equals to 1. When you would be putting x is equals to 1, then you know this would be going to be infinite. So as it is going to be infinite, we should be avoiding this value. So if you see this limit here, 1 is included, so it cannot be the answer. Here 1 is included, it cannot be the answer. Here 1 is included, it cannot be the answer. So only C is the right answer. Okay, so everybody understood? Yes. Those who have given the wrong answer, everybody understood? Very good. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया रित्रो, बहुत ही बढ़िया, है ना? So is it clear? अरित्रो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, आप क्या कर रहे हो? अलग क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो क्या कोई? Just look at it. Okay, very good guys, very good, very good, very good. So guys, let us move to the next question. Now we have next question is this. Okay, so I am checking the statements. Sometime typing errors can be there. Dy by dx minus y square is equals to 1, and the conditions are given as y0 is equals to 1. As they are the first order differential equations, that's why we are given one limit. Very good, Mayank. Try to solve it, guys. This is a question once again of similar type, dy by dx. This time I feel everybody would be giving the right answer. I am waiting for all the students giving right answer, and then I move to the next method. Okay, solve it, solve it. So after this question we will enter into the okay. That's why as it is going to infinity, that's why we are avoiding 1. अरे भाई विकास, आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया. There they are saying x is less than 1, x is more than 1, but x is not equals to 1, and that is what we need. That's why answer was C. Okay, here everyone is saying the answer to be D. Here everyone is saying the answer to be D. Okay. Previous Vikas, I told you once again. So if you see this, here dy by dx is equals to 1 plus y square. So we can write dy 1 plus y square is equals to dx. When you would be going for integration, adding integration constant c, you know it is going to be tangent inverse y. Tangent inverse y is equals to, it is going to be x plus c. They have given when x is 0, y is 1. It is possible tangent inverse y is 1 is equals to x is 0 c. So 1 will be coming for tangent c. So c is pi by 4. So you can write y as equals to tangent x plus pi by 4. Answer will be D for this. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. Moving further, guys. Next question. Okay, this is a homework question. You will get the solution of this question in the Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Okay? So moving further. Next question. This is the next question. This is from reduced to variable separable form. dy by dx cos x plus y with c as constant. You need to tell which of them is correct. So try this, then I will be surely doing this question for you. We are having 2 questions on this format now, and then we will enter into the next. Okay? Solve it, guys. Solve it. So Ajmeera is saying the answer to be D. Okay. What about others? Ajmeera said answer is D. If anybody find any difficulty, you can surely inform me. I will help you out. Okay? And if anybody is having problem with gate Kelsey, I have taken a session. You can watch this. Available on this channel only in the video section. Saurabh is saying D, that's fine. So Ajmeera and Saurabh have given the answer as D. Here you need to first convert it into variable separable form by assuming x plus y as equals to z, and then you can solve it. So guys, every day 10 AM is the time. Today is mathematics, tomorrow will be aptitude. Tomorrow will be aptitude. And also today I already informed you in the starting of session that we are having a formula revision series. Every day one subject will be covered. Today me and Abhinav sir would be taking SOM. Tomorrow will be machine design for mechanical, similarly for civil some subject. Very good. Very good. So Aritro, Rohan, Vineet, Giri, Shreyas, Faninder, Mayank. Very good, everybody. So when we are going to have this, let us assume z is equals to x plus y. Z is equals to x plus y. Okay. So when we are assuming this, it would be dz by dx is equals to 1 plus dy by dx. You can write from here that dy by dx is equals to dz by dx minus 1. Okay. So you can write it. You can write it. So when you will be writing it, dz by dx minus 1 is equals to cos z. So you can write it as dz by dx cos z plus 1. So dz by 1 plus cos z. Now here you should be good in trigonometry. You know when we will be going for integration plus constant, you know we can write cos z as, we can write cos z as 2 cos square z by 2 minus 1. Am I correct? Am I correct? Because you know that cos square theta is what we can write. Sorry, cos 2 theta can be written as. Just let me write. So when we are going to put this value, when we are going to have this is 2 cos square z by 2 minus 1, why we are putting it? Because we want to make this 1 as 0. Because if you would be getting in the form of only cos square, it would be very easy to integrate. So when now you are going to put this value, this is the trigonometry I am using, dz by, when I will be putting this 1 will get cancelled out. So I would be getting 2 cos square z by 2 is equals to integration dx plus c. So you know 1 by 2 will be going outside. Integration secant square z, secant square z, secant square z, and it is equals to x plus c. X plus c. So can you tell me what would be the integration of secant square? Yes, very good, Manasvi. can you tell me what would be the integration of secant square? It would be tangent. So you would be writing 1 by 2 tangent z by 2 is equals to x plus c. Now they have given, just look at the condition, c as the constant. So they are saying c as the constant. Okay, they are saying c as the constant. I feel when you will be putting this, it was 1 plus cos z plus 1, we have kept it, 1 will get cancelled out. So answer will be coming out to be what? It is tangent z by 2. What is z? What is z? So z is we have assumed as x plus y. So I feel you would be getting the answer to be this. I feel you would be getting the answer to be this. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yes. Because when you would be going for the integration, it would be 10z by 2 and into 2 also will come now for integration. Because when we are going to integrate this secant square z by 2, the integration of that would be coming out to be what? It is going to be tangent z by 2, then integration of z by 2 will be 1 by 1 by 2. So it is going to be into 2. So that 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. And you would be getting tangent z by 2 is equals to x plus c. They have said take c as the constant. You can write tangent x plus y by 2 is equals to x plus c. It was a very good question. Yes, Vikas, you understood or not? So here you should be knowing one thing. You should be good in trigonometry as well as in one thing. Okay, Abhinav sir is also there in the comment section, guys. So make a heart sign for him. He is always coming to motivate you. And let us move further. So I already told you, for mechanical civil there are two things today more starting other than maths and FT. One is civil versus mechanical war, and second is the formula revision series. So I feel a lot of love for Abhinav sir there in the comment section. Okay guys, so answer will be D for this. Moving further to the next question, and this is dy by dx x plus y minus 1 ka square. It is once again on the similar concept reduced to the variable separable format. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. And after this question, we would be going to the linear differential equations. After this question, we will be going to the linear differential equation. Wonderful, guys. Okay, TPM is saying C. Okay, let us see. Shreyas is also saying C. Okay. Saurabh is also saying C. So here what you will be doing? Okay, I am waiting for others to answer. We would be assuming x plus y minus 1 to be z. So it is dy by dx plus 1 dz by dx. So you can write dy by dx dz by dx minus 1. So putting the value dz by dx, this is z ka square plus 1, dz by z square plus 1 is dx, integration plus c. So when you would be solving this, you would be getting tangent inverse z is equals to x plus c. So first of all, it would become z is equals to tangent x plus c. I don't know how you are getting c. Then z will be nothing but x plus y minus 1 tangent x plus c. So from here you would be getting y is equals to 1 minus x plus tangent x plus c. Answer would be D. And guys, if you are doing this silly mistake in the exam, your PSU will be getting converting into IIT in front of your eyes. आपकी जो PSU सिलेक्शन है वो आपकी आंखों के सामने आपको IIT में ले जाएगा, और अगर आप IIT में जा रहे थे तो वो आपको NIT में ले जाएगा, NIT में जा रहे थे तो गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में ले आएगा, और वहां जा रहे थे तो दोबारा गेट की तैयारी में ले आएगा. So take care of this kind of mistake. Answer is D, not C for this. Gate is giving you proper time for solving the questions. You are getting 2 to 3 minutes. So you can avoid all the kind of mistakes. Okay? Just concentrate what he is asking. Okay? What you have to do. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. So shall we move on to the next type now? I feel from last 1 hour we were going for variable separable and reduced to variable separable. Are we ready for the linear differential equation now? Very good Vinay, very good Vipul, very good Aritro, Anushka, Malesh, Shreyas, Ajmira, Sushmita, Manasvi, बहुत बढ़िया. Moving to the next guys, next is the linear differential equation. If you are going to have the linear differential equation like dy by dx plus py is equals to q, here P and Q would be the function of X. For such cases, first of all, you would be finding out the integration factor, integrating factor, and that integrating factor is defined as e to the power. E to the power, that is integration P dx. First, you will be finding out that. After that, you know, first when you are calculating this integrating factor, you would be having y into integrating factor is equals to integration Q into integrating factor dx plus c. So this is going to be step 1, this is going to be step 2. Tell me everybody understood this or not first of all. We will be doing the questions, there you will get more feel of this, but right now I have just written that we would be going like that. Yes, very good Rohan, but as I said, I am going for exam point of view, I am even ignoring all other things, the name and everything. I am just telling you how to solve, okay, because this is the time to do that, okay. Otherwise, if you see previously I have taken probability, you see how in detail I have discussed everything. So right now we are going with the exam point of view. Moving further, if you are having this format and P and Q are the functions of y, then integrating factor will be coming out to be e to the power integration. This is previously it was P dx, this time it will become P dy. And then you would be having once again x, okay, I have written, okay, this is dx by dy, dx by dy. So when it is dx by dy and here you are like having py, here you would be having px. So in that case it would be done like this, and you would be writing x into integrating factor, and then you would be writing equals to q into integrating factor, then dy plus c. This is how you are going to move further. Everybody is clear? So shall we go for the questions directly? You would be getting a better feel with the question, okay? How we need to understand, how we need to go, I have told you. Like this is the very first question. You can see the equation. So first of all, when you see this equation, this is not in the correct format, because we want this in this format. Dy by dx plus py is equals to q. We want it in this format. So first we need to convert it in this format. How we will be converting? Just divide the equation by x square. So when you would be dividing the equation by x square, this will become dy by dx plus 2xy divided by x square is equals to 2 ln x upon x square. It will become x cube. So from here I can say x will get cancelled out. So you can say what is p. If you compare, p is nothing but 2 by x. P is nothing but 2 by x. Okay, p is nothing but 2 by x. So when we are having p as 2 by x, what is q? Q is 2 ln x by x cube. So now you know p and q, you know what to do next. Next is the integrating factor, and integrating factor is e to the power integration p dx. So you know it is e ki power 2 by x dx. Can you tell me what it will be coming? I am expecting this from you now. Can you tell me what you will be getting? can you tell me what you will be getting? Can you tell me what you will be getting? Yes. Arey bhai, you can also write it as e की power 2 integration of 1 by x is ln x. That is going to be the case. E ln x ka square. Ln e will get cancelled. You will be getting x square. So integrating factor will be coming out to be x square, like Anjan. Many students have answered. Okay. So x square is the integrating factor. Now what you will be doing? You would be saying y into integrating factor is equals to integration of 2 ln x by x cube into integrating factor dx plus c. Is it clear for everyone? So now you can solve it very easily. Okay. So you know y integrating factor is x square. Here x square will get cancelled out. So just solve it. Put, you need to solve this now. 2 ln x by x into dx plus c. So I feel you know how to solve this, everybody. Yes. Okay, Mayank is saying the answer to be C. Okay, I am waiting for your answers. Okay. Tell me. Okay. What about others? Please tell me. Can we take ln x is equals to, let us say, t. So differentiation will be 1 by x, dx will be dt. So if you are going to put it like that, we can solve integration. Integration. Ln x is becoming t into dt plus c. We can write y into x square, t square by 2 plus c. 1, 2 was also outside, no? Two will get cancelled out. And I feel you know, now we can write y into x square is equals to t square plus c. So you know that y is equals to t square, t is ln x ka square upon x square plus c. And they have given some condition when x is 0, y is 0. So when you will be putting x is equals to 0, y is 0. So as you are saying by isolate, what you would be getting then? When you will be putting this, you would be getting c to be 0. Okay, you can write it in, why you are writing it in this way, you can also feel it like this if you are having problem with limits, because here we have not done calculus yet. Y into x square is equals to ln x ka square plus c. You know when you would be putting x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. This is coming like that. So you know the format will be coming, then you will be going for that, and c would be coming out to be 0. And when c will be coming out to be 0, you can write it y into x square. What is the option? Y into x square. They are asking the value for y of e. So y into x square is ln x ka whole square. You need to find out at x is equals to e. So what you are getting? Y is equals to 1 by e ka square. I feel the answer will be coming out to be D. Everybody understood? बिल्कुल. Yes, Vineet. Is it clear for everyone? Answer will be coming out to be D. So many students have given wrong answer. Only Vaibhav, Anushka, Shreyas, Ashray, Saurabh, Bhanu Prakash, they have given the right answer. Everybody understood, guys? Are we ready for one more question? Ha, Priyanka, that would be enough. Because the point is, if you would be asking me the same question 1 month back, I would say not. Because things are changing with the time. Now, whenever we have 10 days left, in that the maximum possible is this, what we can do, okay? So I am doing, but I am saying that if I am covering this mathematics for you, you can expect more than 10 marks out of 13 from that, okay? Rest will be depending on, you should not go for any silly mistake as well. Moving, guys, to the next question. This is the next question. And this is the question where you need to find out the solution once again. And you know, once again, the equation is of the same format. dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to e to the power minus x square. You know that this p is 2x, q is e to the power minus x square. Try this time by yourself, okay? Then I will give you the solution and find out the answer for this. All the 4 options. This is the previous year question of GATE, and we are covering each and every type one by one, okay? And guys, just with one more question, we will be entering into homogeneous differential equation. We would be entering into homogeneous differential equation after one more question. Okay, guys. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Okay, Vaibhav is saying B. Ankur is saying B. Rohan is saying B. Yes, B is correct. Very good, Faninder. B is correct. B is correct. So when you will be solving this, first of all, integrating factor. E to the power integration P dx. E to the power integration 2x dx. You would be getting e to the power x square. Okay. Then what to do? Y into integrating factor, integration, q into integrating factor, dx plus c. So yes, guys. Yes, guys. Sorry for the disruption in between. Yes. Fine, fine, fine. Sorry for the interruption in between. Some network issue was there. Okay. Some network issue was there. Fine, fine, fine. So guys, let us come back. Okay, come back. So let me share again. Maybe some students would be thinking class is stopped in between. So guys, as I already told you that We are going to cover the complete differential equations today. So be ready, okay? We have completed 2 formats, but still many things are left. Wonderful, guys. Okay, so guys, is it clear the solution? I am once again explaining because video stuck in between. You have found out integrating factor as e to the power x square. So I have written y into integrating factor e to the power minus x square integrating factor dx. Why? Because q was e to the power minus x square. So I have just put it the value, and y is equals to e to the power x square, e to the power minus x square will get cancel out with each other. So you would get 1 dx integration will be x. So the equation will be coming like this. Then it is given that when x is 0, y is 1, c is equals to 1. Okay. So when you would be solving like that, you would be getting the answer to be B. Any doubt in this question? If not there, let me move further. Is it clear for everyone? Shall we go further? Very good, Vipul, bahut badhiya. So guys, let us solve one more question now. Next question is this. X into dy by dx plus y is equals to x की power 4. Now solve this question, and these are the options in front of you. It is given that y when x is 1 is 6 by 5. This is once again the similar question. You can write dy by dx plus y by x is equals to x cube, because it will be divided by x. You can see now p is 1 by x, q is x cube, and now you once again going to find out integrating factor e to the power p dx. Okay, then once again you will write y into integrating factor is equals to integration q into integrating factor, then dx plus c. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. Okay, many students have started giving answer as well. Vikas is saying C, Bhargav is saying C, Faninder is saying A. Okay. Okay. Some persons are saying A, some are saying C. Let us see who is correct, who is wrong. Tell me, guys. So when you will be finding out integrating factor, e की power integration, what is P? P is nothing but 1 by x dx. Okay, Anushka is also saying A. Okay. So when you will be solving this, I feel you know it is e to the power ln x, and you would be getting it to be x. Integrating factor will be coming out to be x. Equation will be y into x is equals to integration x cube into dx plus c. You can write y into x cube, okay, into x also will be there, na? X की power 5 by 5 plus c. Putting x is equals to 1. Y is coming out to be 6 by 5. So you would be getting c to be from here. You would be having y is 6 by 5 is equals to 1 by 5 plus c. Okay, that is what you are getting, and from here I feel c would be coming out to be 1. So the equation will become xy is equals to x की power 5 by 5 plus c. So you can also write y is equals to x की power 4 by 5 plus 1 by x. C is 1. The equation is this. I feel A is the right answer. Okay, very good, guys. बहुत बढ़िया. Wonderful, guys. A would be the right answer, guys. So guys, now we are moving to the next format, that is homogeneous differential equations. Okay, are we ready for that? Now we are going for homogeneous differential equation. Now we are going for the homogeneous differential equation. So when we are talking about homogeneous differential equation, like we may be having dy by dx fxy where both are homogeneous, gxy, okay, both are homogeneous function. What do you mean by homogeneous? Let us say we have a function fxy like this. which is x cube plus y cube plus x square y. So when you are having this, you can see the power is same every time. This is 2 plus 1, 3. If you are going to put x is equals to kx and y is equals to ky in this equation, and after putting this into this equation, the function will become f of kx comma ky, and you are going to get k to the power n function of xy. If you are getting this, this is the identification that function is homogeneous function. And this k to the power n here, n can be anything, 0, 1, 2, like that. So like if we have here, you can see when you will be putting kx, it would become k cube x cube, k cube y cube plus k cube x square y. So you can write it as k cube into the same function fxy. So yes, it is going to be a homogeneous function. Okay, so if this condition satisfies, it is homogeneous. If it do not satisfies, it is non-homogeneous. Please tell me till this point everybody understood or not. Please tell me everybody understood till this point or not. And whenever you would be getting, this would be coming either in the format of some x by y or y by x. Then how to solve this type of question, we are going to see that with the help of a question only. Okay. And after that, we would be entering into your favorite second order differential equation, which is related to CF and PI. I know there many students have problem. So we would be going for that. Okay. So this is the question which we are going to do here. Okay. This is the question which we are going to do here. A curve passing through a point 1 comma pi by 6. Let the slope of the curve at each point xy is y by x plus secant y by x. Okay. Then, okay, this is given that these are the 4 options, and you need to see which of the following is going to be the correct one. So in such cases, what you need to do? In such cases, what you need to do? You would be saying, like if you are going to put this as a function, if you see this y by x plus secant y by x, this is the dy by dx because it is slope. So dy by dx is given like this, y by x plus secant y by x. Here if you would be putting y is equals to ky, x is equals to ky, it would be satisfying the format of homogeneous. Okay, so that is why if it is homogeneous equation, the way of solution is you would be putting y is equals to vx. You would be putting y is equals to vx. Whether you will be putting y is equals to vx, then you know that we can write dy by dx. This is product of two function. So v into dx by dx plus x into dv by dx. So from here dy by dx can be written as v plus x dv by dx. This is the one form we have got. Now when you can see the equation, here when you will be putting y is equals to vx, you know what it will become. So dy by dx is nothing but v plus x dv by dx. This is left hand side. What is right hand side? You can see y vx. So it will become v plus secant v. So can you see overall target is to convert it into the variable separable format only. If you are able to convert it into variable separable format, rest all the things are easy. So now you can see very easily the variables can be separated because vv will get cancel out. From here you can write what? You can write x dv by dx. What is right hand side? It is secant v. So what you can write? Dv by secant v, dx by x. You would be going for integration. Secant v, you can write it as cos v, and cos v will be having sin v as the integration. Okay, is it clear or not? Please tell me that. Is it clear or not? Please tell me that. So cos v will be having integration as sin v. It is equals to dx by x ln x plus c. Now you know v is nothing but what? V is nothing but what? V is y by x. Okay, and when you are going to say sin y by x is equals to ln x plus c, they said that there is a point 1 comma pi by 6. 1 comma pi by 6. So when you will put x is equals to 1, y as pi by 6, it would be coming out to be sine pi by 6. ln 1 is going to be 0 plus c. C would be coming out to be sine pi by 6, which everybody I feel know that it is going to be 1 by 2. So the equation will become sine y by x is equals to ln x plus 1 by 2. Is it clear for everyone? So the answer for this question is what? A. Clear for everyone? Please tell me that. Very good, Manasvi, very good. So this is how you would be solving this type of question. They are always lengthy. So chances are less कि question will be coming from here. But if it comes, I feel everybody can do very easily. Clear for everyone? Very good, guys. Very good. Okay. So guys, with this we have completed these first order differential equation part. Now we are going to enter into the second order differential equation part. Okay. So I feel everybody is ready with that. Now we are talking about the second order differential equation. हाँ विकास, वो आप कर सकते हो, बट मैं यहाँ पर आपको पूरा कराऊंगा ना, मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट बताना है, ठीक है? I have to tell you the concept here, ना? Because with one question I am covering concept, then how I will do directly, okay? That is the problem. Understand that this is a session where I need to cover as per exam point of view in minimum possible time. Okay, very good, guys. So now we are moving for the second order differential equation. You already know the highest order differential equation is telling us the order. So if this n is becoming 2, it would be said to be a second order differential equation. Otherwise, this is a nth order differential equation. So my dear, when you are going to put n is equals to 2, the equation will become d2y by dx square p dy by dx plus qy rx. Now my dear, this is the second order differential equation. Second order differential equation. And when we are talking about the second order differential equation, there are two cases. There are two cases. If this rx is becoming equals to 0, we call it as homogeneous. We call it as homogeneous. And if rx is not equals to 0, we call it as non-homogeneous. We call it as non-homogeneous. So guys, now the point is, what will be the difference in the solution for homogeneous and non-homogeneous? That is the important point. So if you are saying that the system is going to be homogeneous, if it is going to be homogeneous, then my dear, your answer would be coming out to be y is equals to cf only. Here cf refers to the complementary function. CF refers to the complementary function. I will tell you how to find out this. This is said to be complementary function. And if we have non-homogeneous, then y will be coming out to be CF plus PI. Here CF is complementary function, PI is particular integrals. So when we are talking about, we need just refer, if you want to ask like random doubts, you ask me separately. Okay, Vineet? Here just concentrate on what I am covering, that is for the exam. Okay, random doubts I cannot answer here. Other student will be thinking what is going on in the class. That you can ask me separately. You are in my group, you have my phone number, everything is there. Okay. So when we are talking about homogeneous, it is y is equals to complementary function. If it is non-homogeneous, then we have CF as complementary function, PI as particular integral. Now I would like to tell you that when we are having complementary function and particular integral, generally student feel ki in 2 marks examiner cannot ask a question where both requires to be calculated. But I would like to say sometimes they are asking only find out particular integral. So we need to understand what is the way to find out CF and what is the way to find out PI, both. Okay. So guys, when we are talking about that, the best thing about this type of things is that you have a fixed procedure which you need to follow. You have a fixed procedure which you need to follow. So if you are following this properly, answer will be coming correct only. Okay, that is the best thing. Otherwise, if you see IIT JEE level mathematics, there are many things which you need to see based on the questions condition. That's why the level of mathematics of GATE is very easy as compared to IIT JEE. Okay, so when we are talking about this, for homogeneous it will be CF only, for non-homogeneous it will be CF plus PI. So CF has to be calculated all the times. These types of differential equations are having applications in many of the subjects. For ECEE people in control systems and all. For mechanical peoples, it is there in vibrations, it is there in many other subjects. Okay, like in column also you have second order differential equation. Okay, so everywhere you would be having these equations. Okay, for civil also in strength of material columns chapter you have that. Okay, so you know when this is the homogeneous equation, d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy. So this is right hand side is 0, it is homogeneous. If right hand side is non-zero, non-homogeneous. So here the answer is going to be y is equals to complementary function. So what we have to do in such cases, you would be putting y is equals to e to the power rx. For such cases you will be putting y is equals to e to the power rx. When you will be putting d square e to the power rx by dx square plus p d of e to the power rx by dx plus q e to the power rx is equals to 0. Here my dear, when you will be differentiating e to the power rx twice, you would be getting r square into e to the power rx plus p is constant into r into e to the power rx plus q e to the power rx is equals to 0. So you know e to the power rx will be common. You would be having r square plus pr plus q is equals to 0. So my dear, here r square plus pr plus q has to be 0 because e to the power rx cannot be 0, otherwise y will be 0. So that is why you would be putting this r square plus pr plus q is equals to 0. Can you see this is a quadratic equation? Can you see this is quadratic equation? So if this is quadratic equation, I feel you know how to find out the roots. Roots can be find out as minus p minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If you are considering it as ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then this will be the value of x. So you can find out the r values from here. You will get two values. So my dear, if you are getting the r values as r1 comma r2, there are three cases. One case is if r1 is equals to r2. R1 is equals to R2. Okay, if you are getting R1 is equals to R2. So let us say it is equals to R, then the solution will be like your equation is d square y by dx square. So y is equals to c1 plus c2x e to the power rx. This would be the solution. There can be a second case when you are having r is equals to r1 comma r2, where r1 is not equals to r2, and these two cases are for the real roots. Okay, so in the first case we have real and equal roots. Here we have real but distinct roots. So for this case you would be having y is equals to c1 e to the power r1x plus c2 e to the power r2x. So these are the two cases whenever we are having the roots to be real. Okay, first case is for real and equal roots, second case is for real and non-equal roots. Then my dear, when we are talking about the third case, when maybe you would be having r is equals to a plus minus iota b. So here you are going to have two roots, but they are imaginary roots. They are imaginary roots. So for that, y would be e to the power ax, then c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. Everybody is clear or not? Please tell me. These are the three cases of complementary function. So whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or non-homogeneous differential equation, complementary function has to be found out by that. So these are the three cases. We will do question on each one of them, don't worry. Okay, but these are the three cases. And guys, I would also like to tell you, sometime you may also get a condition when you have, let us say, nth degree curve or 6th degree curve, and you are getting some roots like this. Let us say r is coming like this, 2, 3, okay, these are two unequal roots, you can see, and next is 4 plus minus 5i. Then how you would be writing y? You would be writing y is equals to, first of all, because of these things, you will be writing c1 e to the power 2x, c2 e to the power 3x. First is this. After that you will write plus e to the power 4x, then c3 cos 5x plus c4 sin 5x. So can you understand, if more than two roots, how we will be solving? Although for you guys only second order will be asked, but still I am telling you, if it is coming like that, we can tell the solution like this. For them we will go for the complementary function of imaginary numbers. Here we can go with the real numbers solution. Clear guys? Wonderful guys, wonderful guys. So do like and share the session. Now we are moving for the questions. You can see this is the very first question. First of all, tell me it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. First of all, tell me it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. It is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Please tell me that. It is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Homogeneous. So if it is homogeneous, y will be complementary function for sure. Are we ready to put the... Yes, very good, very good. Now you would be putting y is equals to e to the power rx. When you would be putting that, you would be getting r square. Can you write directly? R square minus 5r plus 6 is equals to 0. Very good Faninder, very good Faninder. बहुत बढ़िया. So first of all, tell me, can we write it like that? Can we write it like that? What would be the roots here? What would be the roots here? You can write it as r square minus 3r minus 2r plus 6 बराबर 0. You can write it as r minus 3, r minus 2. Putting it to be 0, you would be getting r value to be 2, 3. So I feel you can very easily write y is equals to c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power 3x. Yes, is it clear Vineet, Rohan, Malesh, Saurabh, very good, Mayank, very good, Faninder, very good. Don't worry Vikas, with the question I will repeat it. With the question I will repeat. Yes. Wonderful guys. Wonderful guys. So guys, the solution would be like this. Okay. So moving further now. Second case, like I already told you, if we have equal roots, then this is how we can write. Okay, for equal roots. This is the case for complex roots, a plus ib. Then complementary function will be e to the power ax, c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. Okay. Now the question, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y. This time you know the equation will be coming out to be r square plus r plus 1 is equals to 0. Just solve it. I want you to solve this time. Just solve it. I want you to solve this time. This is the case of complex roots. I feel everybody can understand. So what you will be writing, you know that roots minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. It would be minus 1 by 2 plus minus root 3 by 2 iota. So you can see one root is minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 iota other is plus 1 by 2, sorry, minus 1 by 2, minus root 3 by 2 iota. So for such case, very good. So for such case, you would be writing y is equals to what? E to the power minus 1 by 2x into C1 cos root 3 by 2x plus C2 sine root 3 by 2x. So here the best thing is you need not to apply your brain more. You just need to remember the procedure. If you can remember the procedure, you can do it very easily. This is how we can find out the complementary function for such case. Okay? Is it clear now? Are we ready for some of the question? Are we ready for some of the questions? Please tell me. Everybody understood the three cases? Manasvi, Giri, Ashray, Yukta. Very good. So now we are going with the very first question. Okay? Now we are going with the very first question. This is the differential equation. This is the differential equation. This is the differential equation. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y. They have given y 0, 0, dy by dx 0, 1. Why this time two values are given? Because it is a second order differential equation. Okay, as it is a second order differential equation, so two constant of integrations. That's why they have given this. Great. So you know you would be putting y is equals to e to the power rx. With that you would be getting r square plus r minus 6 is equals to 0. Now you know what to do. You need to find out the value of y at x is equals to 1. Very good, Yukta. Yukta have given the roots as minus 3 comma plus 2. That is correct. This will give you the roots. R is equals to. Yes guys, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Don't worry guys, in the next session that problem will not be there, because in the next session I will be in the BYJU'S studio. Today I am taking from home. So y is c1 e to the power r1x plus c2 e to the power r2x. Okay, and you know one is minus 3, other is plus 2, so y is c1 e to the power minus 3x plus c2 e to the power plus 2x. Very good, very good. So answer some students have given as 0. Okay, let me see what is the answer. First of all, tell me the value of c1, c2. You will be putting x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. So when you will be putting x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, this will be 1, this will be 1. So it will be coming out to be c1 plus c2 is equals to 0. And from here I can say c2 is minus c1. Okay, c2 is minus c1. Okay, Bhanu Prakash. Now we are going to have the second condition. For that we need to find out y dash. Y dash will be minus 3c1 e to the power minus 3x plus 2c2 e to the power 2x. When you will be putting this is y dash, x is equals to 0 and it is given as 1. So 1 is equals to minus 3c1 plus 2c2. So you would be getting from here c1 and c2. So I feel you guys would be getting C1 and C2 values as C2 will be minus 1 by 5, C1 will be plus 1 by 5. So the equation will be coming out to be y is equals to C1 is plus 1 by 5 e to the power minus 3x. Okay. Okay, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Okay, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So minus plus 1 by 5 e to the power 2x. And they are asking you what is the value of y when x is equals to 1. I feel you can put the value and you can get it. When you would be putting y, let us take 1 by 5 common minus. So putting x1, is it clear? Very good, very good, very good. Everybody is clear about this? Please tell me that. Then we are moving further. So guys, let us do one more question now. Okay, actually I have two more questions. Then we will go for particular integral. Moving further guys, this question is over. Very good, very good. Anybody have any doubt? Vikas, Rohan, Saurabh, Aritro, Yukta, Manasvi. Yes. Okay. So guys, one more thing. The next question is, this time you need to find out the maximum value of solution yt of the differential equation. This is nothing but d square y by dt square plus y is equals to 0. This is the equation. So when you would be having this equation, you just need to solve once again, put the same way like you are putting. I feel it is very easy to solve. You would be getting r square plus 1 is equals to 0. Roots will be coming out to be rs plus minus iota. Solve it. Let us see how many of you give the right answer for this. So guys, today is the first session of civil versus mechanical war. For every civil and mechanical student, today, civil versus mechanical war at 4:30 p.m. on the app. Don't miss the opportunity to learn as well as earn the cash prizes. At the same time, you have 8 p.m. formula revision class on YouTube at 8 p.m. Abhinav sir and me would be live for that. Yes guys. So you are getting complex roots. So you know what would be the answer for this. Y is equals to e to the power 0t cos t plus sin t. C1, C2. You need to find out first of all C1, C2. For that conditions are given. When y is equals to 1, x is equals to 0. Put that. T is equals to 0. T0, y1. T0, y1. T0, y1. I feel when you will be putting y1, e to the power 0 is already 1. Cos 0 is 1, C1. Sin 0 is 0. C1 is coming out to be 1. Similarly, you would be having y dash now. Y dash will be coming out to be what? It is minus C1 sin t plus C2 cos t. When you would be saying that y dash 0 is equals to 1. So when you are putting t is equals to 0, y dash is going to be 1. It is going to be 1 is equals to minus 1 plus, solve it guys, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, solve it. This much you can do, I feel. Okay. Everybody. Plus minus iota is coming. You know, when you would be putting this value y dash, it is given that y dash 0 is 1. If y dash 0 is 1, just feel it. Y dash 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. Plus C2 cos 0 is 1. C2 will be coming out to be 1. So y is nothing but sin t plus cos t. And I feel everybody know the maximum value of sin t plus cos t is what? Vinay, I feel you have done some mistake. Priyanka, it would be going as up to 12:30, you can say 12:30. Yes, tell me. So you are getting y as sin t plus cos t. Yes, what would be the answer? So I feel everybody know, if we have a function y is equals to a sin t plus b cos t, then the maximum value of this is square root of a square plus b square. So from that logic, answer will be 1 ka square plus 1 ka square. It would be root 2. So answer will be D for this. Everybody understood the mistake you were doing? Everybody understood the mistakes you were doing? Yes, Aritro, very good. Dinesh, very good. Yukta, very good. Shreyas, Rohan, Malesh, you have done the mistake. Fine. Giri, बहुत बढ़िया. Saurabh, Vinay, wonderful guys. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good guys, very good. So guys, now we are moving to one more question, then we will enter into particular integral. This is the one more question, then we will enter into the particular integral. Okay, one more question on CF, we will move on to the particular integral. Last question on CF, we will move on to the particular integral. A function nx satisfies the differential equation this, where L is a constant. You know, when you will be putting y or nx is equals to e to the power rx, you would be getting r square plus 1 by L square r is equals to 0. No r. Okay, 1 upon L square. Yes. Solve it, guys. Solve it. R square plus 1 by L square is equals to 0. This is the equation. You would be getting two distinct root, plus minus 1 by L. Two distinct root, plus minus 1 by L. So you know what would be the answer for this nx? C1 e to the power r1x, C2 e to the power r2x. You need to find out the solution of this equation. Very good, Shovik. Solve it, guys. Solve it. The last question for CF. Then we will enter into PI. So when you will be putting the value, you will get the answer very easily. The answer will be coming out to be nx C1 e to the power 1 by Lx plus C2 e to the power minus 1 by Lx. Okay. And they have given when x is 0, nx is k. Sorry, nx is k. So when you will be putting x is equals to 0, k is equals to x0, you know it is 1 by L, x0 will be 1, C1. It will be C2. So C1 plus C2 is equals to k. When x will be infinity, then nx will be 0. So when you will be putting infinity, it is 0 is equals to C1 e की power infinity plus C2 e की power minus infinity. I feel everybody know e की power minus infinity is 0. Everybody know e की power minus infinity is 0. What we are getting is 0 is C1 e की power infinity plus C2 e की power minus infinity, means e की power infinity. E की power infinity is infinity, so this term will become 0, C1 will be 0. So you are going to get the final C2 as k. So what would be the answer for this? It would be nx C2 e to the power r2x. So it is k e to the power minus 1 by Lx. Please look at it if you find any problem. That's great, Manasvi. Is it clear for everyone? No, Gautam, it is not my Actually, this is minus, minus, minus. Okay? Fine, fine, fine. Clear for everyone? Yes, yes, yes. It is not. Okay, you are asking actually. No, not all questions we have solved. Okay, but yes, we would be having the practice sessions where we would be covering all the new questions, because all the branches, if you will conclude, the number of questions are very large in number. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Please tell me that. Now we are going for particular integral. Any doubt in this question, please tell me. And the answer for this is going to be C, I feel. Everybody understood? Ha, Shobik, 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by very big number is going to be 0. That is very simple thing, I feel. Very good, Kunal. Okay, shall we move on to the particular integrals? Shall we move on to the particular integrals now? So my dear, if particular integral, when we are talking about, if right hand side Rx is not equals to 0, then you know the solution will be y is equals to Cf plus Pi. We already understood the Cf, now we are going for Pi. The last thing we are going to cover here, and there are 3 cases for particular integral. First case is related to e to the power ax plus b. Second case is going to be sin ax plus b or cos ax plus b. Third case will be x to the power m. So we just need to cover now these 3 cases. With that your chapter will be over and then I will leave you. So next 20, 25, 30 minutes at the max we are here together. Okay. Then I will show you 10 homework questions which you would be doing. I will be sharing you the solution of that. And then tomorrow aptitude class will be there at 10 a.m. And once again we will be meeting day after tomorrow for the next topic. Okay. Everybody is clear for particular integral. The first case we have now. We have Rx is EAX plus B. And the equation is this. D square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 6y is equals to e to the power 2x plus 1. I would be directly going for particular integral because I already told you how to calculate the complementary function. Okay. So are we ready for that? Are we ready for that? Please tell me. Are we ready for that? So guys, when you are going to have this, you would be writing the particular integral as equals to. First of all, on the numerator, you would be having the right hand side. This is the right hand side. And here, you would be saying that d square by dx square. That you would be keeping it as d square. D by dx, you would be keeping it as d. And x, you would be keeping it as 1. Okay, y, you would be keeping it as 1. So when we are going to, okay, sorry. Is it clear? So when we are going to do this, d square y by dx square, we can write d square y plus 2 dy plus 6y is equals to something. So you can see the equation is d square plus 2d plus 6 into y. That is equals to e to the power 2x plus 1. So when we are writing the equation in this format, this is something you need to take in the denominator. E to the power 2x plus 1 divided by d square plus 2d plus 6. Is it clear for everyone? First of all, tell me that. नहीं विनीत, अगर PI पूछा हो तो आप डायरेक्टली PI निकालोगे, है ना? Because if they are giving you the options based on that, if they are saying only PI, you will go for PI. If they are writing y is equals to, then it would be CF plus PI. Okay, both types question can be asked. So you are having this. For such case, what you need to do actually? For such case, what you need to do? Anybody can tell me what we will be going ahead? We are going to put D is equals to A. What is A? A is the power of E, coefficient of X. So when we are going to put it, you know the particular integral will become equals to. It would be e to the power 2x plus 1 divided by. When you will be putting A here, A is 2. 2 ka square is 4. Plus 2 into 2 is 4. Plus 6. I feel you would be getting what? You would be getting what? You would be getting what? It is 1 by 14 e to the power 2x plus 1. First of all, tell me, is it clear or not? Then we are going for the second case in this. In this, there is one more case. Is it clear for everyone? So 1 by 14 e to the power 2x plus 1 is the PI for this case. Okay. But they will not be giving you much lengthy question. Don't worry about that. So guys, when we are talking about the next case, if we have the equation like this, then you would be doing once again what? You would be writing particular integral as equals to e to the power x divided by d square minus 2d plus 1. Everybody understood how this equation came? You know we can write it as d square y minus 2dy plus y is equals to e to the power x. So we can write it as d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equals to e to the power x. So we are finding it out like this. Here my dear, if you are saying we are putting d is equals to 1, you will feel the denominator will become 0. When you will be putting d is equals to 1, you will get denominator is becoming 0. So for such case, what you need to do? For such case, you would be multiplying the numerator with the x. I am multiplying it with x. And I would be differentiating this denominator. So d square ka differentiation will become 2d. Minus 2d will become minus 2. And 1 differentiation will be 0. Now my dear, once again, if you are going to put, d is equals to 1. Once again, this 2d minus 2 will become 0. You will repeat the procedure. Particular integral will be multiply by x, differentiate the denominator, 2. This is the answer. Is it clear for everyone? I am telling you each and everything. Very good Rohan, very good Yukta, very good everybody, Anjan, very good. Kunal, Mayank, Dinesh, Giri, Manasvi, Yukta, everybody clear or not? So when you are going to get the situation where denominator is becoming 0, very good Vineet, when denominator will become 0, you would be multiplying that solution with x and differentiate the denominator. This is what you are going to do, and you are going to repeat this until you get the correct thing. Wonderful, very good Ashray. So yes, we are going for revision only. Thanks Ashray. That's what I want to listen from your side. Now we are moving to the second case, guys. Now we are moving to the second case. If we are going to have Rx as sin Ax plus b or cos Ax plus b, it is going to be the same. Procedure is going to be the same. Here you know we can write d square. If anybody feels that sir you are going very fast, please tell me, I will make my speed slower. But I was thinking ki it is revision for you, so I was going fastly. Let us take this case. Am I going with the normal speed? Okay. Mayank is asking. Okay, Mayank, let us see. As you know, I told you whenever you have right side e to the power ax plus b, you need to put d is equals to a. Here, if you consider it as e to the power ax plus b, you can see a is 1. So when you would be putting d as 1, you can see 1 ka square 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 will become 0. So denominator is becoming 0. So that's why we did not put d is equals to 1, because denominator will become 0. So when you are putting d is equals to 1, denominator is becoming 0, then what you will do? Multiply numerator with x, differentiate the denominator. So it will become x e to the power x and 2d minus 2. 1 ka differentiation 0. When you will once again put d is equals to 1, you will once again get the denominator to be 0. So that is why if it is becoming 0, once again multiply with the x, x square ex, differentiate this, 2d will becomes 2. This is the particular integral. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Please tell me Shubham, Anushka, Dinesh, Rohan, Shobik, Mayank, Giri, Vineet, everybody. Clear? Wonderful guys. Now we are going for the second case. If you are going to have sin ax plus b or cos ax plus b, then you have written the same way. Now you would be writing particular integral is equals to sin 2x plus 1 divided by differentiation d square plus 2d plus 1. This is the equation. So guys, now for such cases, what we will be doing? We would be saying that particular integral is sin 2x plus 1 divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. For such cases, you would be putting d square is equals to minus of a square, but you will not be putting d anything. That you will be not doing. You would be just putting d square as minus a square. What is a here? X ka coefficient. Here x ka coefficient is 2. So you would be putting d square is equals to minus 4. When you would be putting d square minus 4, particular integral will become sine 2x plus 1. Sine 2x plus 1 divided by d square is minus 4. This was plus 1. It is minus 4 plus 2d plus 1. Can we write it as sine 2x plus 1 divided by 2d minus 3? Yes, Vineet, only these three cases, yes, only these three cases are enough. So when we are talking about Vineet, if you are having sine ax plus b or cos ax plus b, then you would be putting d square as minus a square, but you will not be putting anything about d. Like in the previous case, we have put d as equals to a. Here we are not going to put d anything. We are going to put only d square as minus a square. And minus sign is outside, okay? So minus of a ka square. Here a is 2, 2 ka square is 4. So we have written d square is minus 4. When you will be putting minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So it is sine 2x plus 1 minus 4 plus 2d plus 1. Sine 2x plus 1 is 2d minus 3. Now what you would be doing? You would be multiplying it with 2d plus 3 divided by 2d plus 3. Because we know d square is minus a square. So we need to convert d into d square here. So when you would be doing this, I feel everybody can understand. If any doubt, you can please ask. Very good, Rohan. Bahut badhiya. Now you would be having particular integral as, you know, we have 2d plus 3, and that would be multiplied by sine 2x plus 1 and divided by, you have a minus b, a plus b, you know, x minus y, x plus y, x square minus y square. So you would be having 2d ka square minus 9. What is 2 into d ka square? It would be 4d square. So you can write d square as minus 4. So 4 into minus 4. It would be minus 16 minus 9. So you can write 2d plus 3 into sine 2x plus 3. D means differentiation. You will apply this operator. So you will write 2d into sine 2x plus 1. Okay. Then plus 3 sine 2x plus 1. And guys, in the denominator, 4d ka square. D square is minus 4. So 4d ka square, d square is minus 4. Minus 9. So you are going to get here minus 1 by 25 common. Here 2, differentiation of sine will become cos. Cos 2x plus 1. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Then here plus 3 sine 2x plus 1. थोड़ा सा स्मार्ट बोर्ड में हट रहा है, don't worry, I am writing for you guys. So you can write this is going to be minus 1 by 25, 4 cos 2x plus 1 plus 3 sine 2x plus 1. You can see they are very lengthy type of question. That's why chances are very less. But question can come from here. That's why more questions are coming from variable, separable and first order differential equation. Is it clear, Vineet, Manaswi, Rohan, We are about to complete now, last case. Clear for everyone? Please tell me. Look at the board, look at the screen. If any doubt, you can ask me. स्मार्ट बोर्ड भी थक गया है क्योंकि बहुत सारे मैराथन हुए हैं ना इसमें, इसलिए. यस, वंडरफुल गाइस. बट विनीत, आपने तो अटेंड नहीं करे सारे मैराथन, इसलिए आप नहीं थके होने चाहिए. नहीं रोहन, as I said, we will be going as per the exam point of view. Okay, so everything, if we will be going, we cannot complete it, but if you want, in the practice session we will see some question on that. Next question, next case, x की power m. When we have d square y by dx square p dy by dx plus qy x की power m, this is the algebraic function. We can write it as in the same way. So let us see one question on this also. We have this question. D square y by dx square plus 6 dy by dx plus 9y is equals to 9x plus 6. So you can see this is the algebraic function, and you can write the equation as d square plus 6d plus 9 into y is equals to 9x plus 6. I will tell you how to do this type of question. Yes, so when we are having this, you can write now the particular integral as equals to 9x plus 6 divided by d square plus 6d plus 9. So guys, whenever you have algebraic function, for this type of case, you need to convert the denominator in a form of 1 plus f of d. For that, we can take 9 as common. So you can write the particular integral as equals to 9x plus 6 divided by, take 9 common, it will be 1 plus d square plus 6d divided by 9. Okay, and when we are going to have this, we can also write it as particular integral as 9x plus 6 divided by 9. Once again I am writing it 1 plus d square plus 6d divided by 9. Now my dear, you would be writing it in this way, 9x plus 6 1 plus d square plus 6d by 9 to the power minus 1. Guys, now everybody would be knowing how to expand. Everybody know how to expand if we are going to have 1 plus x to the power n. Everybody know that or not? Please tell me that. Everybody know that or not? Please tell me that. Everybody know the expansion of 1 plus x की power n. It is written as 1 plus nx plus, this is 1 का factorial, n into n minus 1. Everybody know that or not? Please tell me. Okay, 1 का factorial, n into n minus 1 by 2 का factorial, okay, into x square and so on. So if you see here and you will expand this equation, it would be coming out to be 9 was common, so 1 by 9. So 1 by 9, 9x plus 6, and what you are getting here is 1 minus 1 will be coming here, minus d square plus 6d by 9. We would not be expanding after this. Why we are not expanding after this? Because in the function we have 9x plus 6. If you will expand after this, it will become d की power 4. d की power 4 is not required because after second differentiation this will become 0. So there is no need for that, and we can write it as 1 by 9 common. Here you can write 1 minus d square plus 6d divided by 9 into 9x plus 6. Now you can just apply the operator one by one. So you can write it as, do we have the space? Okay, 1 by 9 into, when you will multiply 1 with that, it would be coming out to be 9x plus 6. Then you would be going for, yes, very good guys, very good, बहुत बढ़िया. Now we are going for this d square by 9. So you would be saying plus 1 by 9 d square on 9x plus 6. Then you have the last term as 6d plus 6 by 9 d into 9x plus 6. And when you will be solving this, you would be getting 1 by 9x plus 6 plus 1 by 9. You would be applying d square on 9x. D will make it 9, d square will make it 0 plus 6 by 9. 6 by 9 into this will be 9. 9 will get cancel out. So I feel you would be getting, this is 9x plus 6 plus 6. Will it be solved by you? 1 by 9, and you would be getting it as 9x plus 6 plus 6, and that would be the answer you would be getting. Is it clear for everyone? Please tell me that. Is it clear for everyone? Please tell me that. Will it be clear for everyone? Please tell me that. You would be getting the answer from here. Sign would be minus. I feel I have done this mistake. So in that case, this will get cancelled out. Answer will be coming out to be x. Everybody understood, bhai? Please tell me. So we have completed all the forms. First of all, tell me how you find this session. Was it useful for you or not? Have you enjoyed the way we have gone through? You can see we have revised this in 2 hours and 15 minutes. I already told you we will go as per the requirement of exam. Otherwise, differential equation can be taught for 10 to 15 hours, which we would be going if we would be going in the previous to 6 months, 3 months, in that way. Very good. So guys, do like the session, share the session with your friend. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Yes, we are going to revise in that way only. I feel you would be getting more benefits in that way. And the best thing is we are covering one topic, so rest day you can go for your technical subjects. So tomorrow once again do the same, show the same love and support for aptitude. Ma'am would be coming for first topic of aptitude. Then once again on Wednesday we are meeting for the second topic. Okay, and one more thing specifically for civil and mechanical student, at 4:30 p.m. today I would be there on app, BYJU'S exam prep app. There you can join me for civil versus mechanical war. Today's topic will be simple stress and strain. So be ready. Telegram link is mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. That's great, Rajesh. It is for all the branch. Mathematics and aptitude is for all the branches. Okay. So, sir, do we have Laplace transform for exam? Yes, Yukta, you have, and we will see that also. I would also like to tell you one more thing, that just join the Telegram channel to get the PDF of this session. Also, you can see, as per my promise, there are homework questions. So these homework questions solution also you will be getting by evening. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear for every branch? Okay, you are talking about civil. Don't worry, Yukta. I would be, whenever I will be coming up with some topic which is not for your branch, it would be mentioned in the starting. Don't worry about that. Okay, like complex number is not there for you, so we will tell about that. Don't worry. Today formula revision session will be at 8 p.m. Me and Abhinav sir would be coming for strength of materials. Today's session time is 8 p.m. strength of material, and 4:30 p.m. on app we will be having civil versus mechanical war. And last thing we are talking about is we would be having yes, PDF would be mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Only on that, Manasvi. विनीत, अगर कैलकुलस में टाइम ज्यादा लगा तो मैं 2 सेशन भी ले सकता हूं. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. देयर विल बी नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन नंबर ऑफ सेशन ऑन टाइम. The way is going to be this. You just need to say whether you like the way or not. Way will be the same. Rest, if time requires, we will go for 2 sessions also. There is no problem at all. Okay. So goodbye for this particular session, guys. We are meeting at 4:30 p.m. once again on BYJU'S exam prep app for civil versus mechanical war first session. You can join the Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. You will get PDF and homework question plus the solution for the homework question. Goodbye for this particular video, guys.